Hey, Goofy. Have you seen my wife? I've lost my wife. She's got. I'm looking everywhere for her.
Hi, Goofy.
Oh no! Please, please. Oh well.
Goofy.
Have you seen my wife around? I've lost her. Really? Over there? You didn't have to be rude. Thanks, R2. Well, I'm still looking for my wife, Lee's, and the Tim Tracker, but so someone told me that Lee's might be in a galaxy far away. So how could we get to another? Hey, let's see if we can get a ride on that thing. Made it onto the Millennium Falcon. Still haven't found Lee's yet, but this is cool. Maybe I'll play a game while I wait.
Supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
All right, get in here.
Okay, flight crew, once you have your seatbelt on, please pull on the yellow strap.
Okay.
And then press the flashing buttons. Good.
Remember, yes, hit your flashing buttons. You better be faster when we get big trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly out. Watch it. Weapons are offline. Left pilot, hit the ghost. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Please, we're coming!
It's the train. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Down. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I gravity go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Shoot the train. The cargo's pretty shooting. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Things are getting too hot. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Star Destroyer is collapsing! Let's pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. Oh, we can go die. Let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie right. We cannot let them follow us back. Resistance. He's the last. Did it. Watch out. That's good. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. Rebel, you retrieve 2 containers of coaxium.
Sorry,
This would greatly help the resistance.
still can't find you.
The First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. All right, I am making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
You're the boss, grab that loose cargo, next master's way.
Okay.
All available techs, we have a brilliant freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee season.
Oh, that's not good. Thanks, guys. I think we damaged it a little bit, but still haven't found leads, so we'll keep going. Thanks.